If you want to improve your website's SEO, help search engines like Google crawl your content faster, and ultimately get more traffic, this video is for you. Welcome to the SEO Tactician, guys. In this video we will learn how to generate sitemaps for Shopify. So what is sitemaps? A sitemap is a file that provides information about the pages, posts, products, and other content available on your websites. It helps search engines like Google crawl and index your site more efficiently. There are two main types of sitemaps. First, HTML sitemap, and second is XML sitemaps. Basically, we all are using and use XML sitemaps. So to generate sitemaps, we have few methods. I will show you the methods. So first method is the popular method is we have to go Google Search Console. If you don't set up Google Search Console for your Shopify store, then I suggest you must be watch these videos. I explained how to set up Google Search Console on Shopify. So after go to the Google Search Console, click on sitemaps here and paste here. Type here sitemap.xml. XML. Then click on submit. Okay. Again click here sitemap underscore index dot XML. Now click on submit. Okay. Here. Okay. So if you want to generate individual URLs for the sitemaps like pages, products, posts, and blogs, manually here's how to would look a sitemap for pages. You have to put here first I show you products. Type here sitemap underscore products underscore 1.xml. Now click submit. Okay. And another is for pages, we have to edit the code pages to underscore 1.xml. Now click submit. Okay. Now we will put the sitemaps for blog. So paste here and type blogs, submit. Collections, okay. Yeah. This is the first and viral method. Now I'm showing you the second method to generate sitemaps. Go to the XML sitemaps.com. Then paste here your URL, website URL, then click on start. After click on start, it will take maybe 1 minute. Then you will see this type of interface. The websites generate you the sitemaps. So if you want to download these sitemaps, simply click here and download your XML sitemap file. Also here is sitemap preview. You can see here you are in the sitemaps. If you want to download zip file, you can from here. So this is the two method you can generate and create sitemaps for your websites. So now go to the Google to check sitemaps live. You have to put your URL here and add also sitemap.xml with your website URL. Now go to the URL. You will see this type of interface. You can check here sitemaps for products, sitemaps for phases, for collections, for blogs. Okay, so to recap, a sitemaps helps search engine crawl and index your phases more efficiently, which is crucial for SEO. Creating and submitting a sitemaps is simple, and it can make a big difference in getting your site found. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips on growing your website's SEO. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about sitemaps. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye bye, take care, see you again.